Welcome. Seminar on the solar thermal storage system made by Kasaram Karmodakar, guided by R.C. Patil sir. Abstract. The thermal energy TS is a technology that stores thermal energy by heating or cooling storage medium, so that the storage energy can be used later for the heating and cooling application and power generation. TS systems are used particularly in a building and industrial processes. This paper is focuses on the TS technologies that provide a way of valorizing solar heat and reducing energy demand on building. The principle of the several energy storage method and calculation of the storage capacities are described in sensible heat storage technology, include the water tank, underground and packed bed storage method, and briefly reviewed additionally the latent heat storage system associated with the phase change material for the use in solar heating, cooling of the building, solar water heating, heat pump system, and concentrated solar power plant, as well as thermochemical storage are discussed. Finally, cool thermal storage system are briefly reviewed. Outstanding information on the performance and cost of the TS system are included. Introduction. Recent projection predict that the primary storage consumption will be rise by the 48% in 2040. On the other hand, the depletion of fossil resources, on the addition to their negative impact on the environment, has accelerated the shift toward the sustainable energy resources, renewable energy such as solar radiation, ocean wave, and biogas, playing a major role in reforming natural balance and providing needs of growing population demand. Thermophysical properties to serve the purpose of the 24-hour operation in an efficient TS system. In Europe, it has been estimated that around 1.4 million gigawatt per year can be saved and 400 million tons of CO2 emission avoided in a building and in the industrial sector by more existing use of the heat and cold storage. Chapter number 1: Utilization of renewable energy. The aim of the project: utilize the renewable energy wasted in a large amount. One of the major renewable energy resource is the solar, which is sun emitter. The solar energy can be utilized to higher extent areas such as climatic conditions like India. Sun emits solar radiation much as 1395 watt per meter square. To utilize the energy, solar collector as the most economic efficient solar collector is a flat plate collector and which absorbs solar radiation and the heat transfer it to the water inside the tube and collector for the store energy and utilize later the phase change material PCM, which is used to absorb large amount of heat from water inside the tank and release later when the temperature reaches its melting point. Types of thermal storage system. Thermal energy storage can be achieved in the form of the sensible heat of solid or liquid medium, latent heat of phase change material, or by chemical reaction. The choice of storage medium depends on the amount of energy stored in a unit volume or the weight of the medium and temperature range which is required. Application. Thermal energy storage. Here we can divide it into two: thermal and chemical. Thermal energy storage can be divided into thermal and chemical. Thermal, sensible heat and latent heat, and further sensible heat is divided into the liquid or solid. Latent heat further divided into the solid, liquid gas, solid. And another chemical storage thermal chemical pipeline head of reaction or heat form. Capacity of storage. Temperature increases, storage heat also increases. Means temperature is directly proportional to store heat. Means if increase the temperature, also increase the quantity of heat or storage heat. Okay. It is called as a constant phase, certain temperature. Sensible heat storage. The desirable characteristics and sensible material include following: high thermal heat capacity, high thermal diffusion, high density, chemical stability, non-combustible, water 1000 density, specific 4.20, volumetric specific heat 4.20. A phase change material can be divided into three parts: organic, inorganic, eutectics. Or inorganic paraffin, fatty acid, inorganic salty hydrates, and eutectics, organic, inorganic. Okay, further divided into in the figure. PCM: low temperature, medium temperature, high temperature. In low temperature, ice, water, gel. In medium temperature, hydrolyzed salt, organic polymer material. In high temperature, PCM, molten salt, metal alloy, ferro. Challenges and opportunities supporting policies. There are several reasons: the increase in deployment of energy storage technology, the need of reduce greenhouse emission, need to increase the energy access and security provider, replace aging in energy infrastructure, and need for a decentralized energy production. According to the Grand View research, the energy storage market is expected to reach $12.50 billion by 2025. Solar thermal pros. Renewable reduce fossil fuel dependency. Solar thermal environment friendly. It can be combined with solar PV photovoltaic. Require little space. Cheap to run. Established technology can be provided. Return on cost can also generate power. Cons: installation is expensive, cannot be using during the night. Hot water cannot be stored for long. Solar thermal is less efficient in winter. Limited availability of installer. Domestic solar thermal system cannot generate power. Okay, summary. So we have our list of the thermal energy, solar thermal energy pros and cons. Let me recap what we learned. In numerous areas we can benefit from hot water system. They are not great for the environment, but they can also help to reduce energy bill. Whether you are advocate of solar technology or not, it clears to see that advantage of solar thermal far outweigh the disadvantage. Literature view. Velraj R. 1998 have recommended the combined sensibility or latent heat system for the thermal energy. He has designed the storage system for the solar water application. Action. He has found that 1/4 of the data requirement is stored by the water in the tank as a sensible heat. 3/4 of the requirement stored in the PCM. It reduces size of the storage system. Thank you. Here is the references. Thank you very much for the watching seminar on the solar energy storage system. So solar thermal energy storage system. Thank you.